So, yesterday, the East London Magistrates Court sentenced Julius Malema. Well, not they haven't sentenced him, they convicted him rather. It's 5 charges, but I guess it's 3 to be quite honest, because it's unlawful possession of a firearm, right? Then unlawful possession of ammunition. And then the other 2 are just the contravention of the Firearms Control Act. So discharging a weapon in a public area, endangering lives, yada, yada, yada. It's very serious, first of all, because he's now a convict. And sentencing has been remanded till later. I think it's going to be
23 January.
Yeah, so we'll wait until next year and see what that is. Potentially, this could carry up to 15 years imprisonment. I don't think that's what he's going to get. In fact, I don't think there should be any imprisonment. But who am I? It's just my own personal thoughts, right? I wasn't surprised, though, that they found him guilty. And now that that's happened, I guess we now need to look forward and look at what this means, right? If you want to go back to a show that we did last year, June the 20th, about the merits of this particular case, you're more than welcome to go into our podcast and listen there. We discussed it at great length with Sizwe Zigalala, and whether or not we felt it was, I don't know, in his favor or it was going to go a different direction. So that you can listen to in your own time. What this means now, though, and you will have seen even the front page of the Sowetan, they're asking whether it puts his political career in jeopardy. And in fact, the career of the EFF, I suppose, just you look at everything holistically because he is the sole leader. And with the exodus that we witnessed last year, really everything is in Julius's hands. Yeah. So if Julius falls, it's very difficult to see how the EFF survives beyond that. He, for example, if he were to be sentenced for longer than 12 months in prison, he wouldn't be able to be a member of parliament.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, you could argue you could still lead the party without being in parliament, but it's really just, it's a stumbling block that could have been avoided. One of the things that I dislike personally about Cyril is the fact that every mistake that he ever made was unforced. So Cyril came into the office, basically loved by everybody, including members of the press. He had so much goodwill, then he proceeded to squander it. Nobody else forced him. He just decided to get involved in pala, this, that, be indecisive, yada, 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 yada. And I feel exactly the same way about this Julius Malema situation. Because nobody forced him to